Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be doing what's called a Thriftology haul. Now, you probably haven't heard of Thriftology before unless you are Michelle from Mascara to Midnight or her daughter Ashlea. So kind of the way this all started was about a year ago. I was watching Michelle's video, which again is Mascara to Midnight. I will leave a card up here to her channel and a link down below in the description box as well. And it was one of her Stitch Fix unboxings that she did. And with that particular box that she got, she wasn't all that pleased with everything that she got. So I left her a comment and I said, hey, wouldn't it be fun if you had like your husband or a family member go shopping and see what kind of clothes they could buy you less expensive and see if they could do a better match than what your Stitch Fix person was doing. Well, I didn't know that her daughter Ashlea had a used clothing store, and she's in Oklahoma. It's called Thriftology. So what she did is she reached out to her and asked her to put together a box because she would have the clothes there and she would be able to know what her mom liked. So it was a complete success on the video, and she's done 2 videos on that now. So I thought, hey, why don't I go ahead and try this out myself and see how Ashlea does on somebody she doesn't know. Now, she did go and watch a couple of my videos, and I sent her some photos of clothing that I liked. I did ask for tops because that's primarily what I needed. And then the cost on it, she's got different prices for the boxes. They start at $40 and they go all the way up to $100. So I got the $40 box, plus you have a $10 shipping fee. Now you get 6 to 7 items, and the more expensive the box, you'll end up getting more name brand clothing. You'll get items that are brand new with tags on them. So I've had this box since the 11th. Today's the 25th. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do that with you guys. So let me grab my scissors and we'll dig into this. Now, by the way, shipping was 2-day air too, so I got this extremely fast. Let's dig in. She did a very good job taping it up. And it's heavy too. Okay. First thing that's jumping out at me is a gray sweater. Let's see, is this inside out? Yes. It's like a poncho. Okay, how cute is this? Let me have to hold these up. So it's got a snap at the neckline. And then on the side, it's got the openings for your arms to go through. So I am going to try all these on. So let's see if there's a name brand in here. It's by LYS. And it's a very nice, thick sweater. So definitely like this so far. I don't think I've had a poncho since I was like in junior high school, maybe high school. Been a while, folks. Okay, so the next one is this. There's a 2. I pulled 2 things out. So this is a cute little white t-shirt. It's got a tag on it. It says sells for $10 at her store. Down at the stomach, there's a little bow tie to tie a knot. I told her I like things that are loose fitting. I don't like things that are tight. So there was a label in this. It was cut out, so I don't know who this is by. And then the next item I have is a white peasant type top. This is made of like a little linen, and it's got a little embellishment here on the sleeve as well as down on the hem. And then the back, also along the neckline, and then it has a button in the back. So, let's see, there's tags were cut out of it, so can't tell you who made that either. Dropping everything. Okay, now I got a black. What is this? What is this? Ooh, this is long. So this is a black, long, could be worn as a dress, but I would think I would probably wear it with like leggings underneath. So it's short sleeved, it's a stretch material, and then it's got a ruffle that goes all around the neckline. It's elastic. It's quite long, so that's pretty cute. And it is by Lily Pad, and it's made with rayon and spandex. So this is really super cute. And then I have another black shirt. This is a 3/4 sleeve on it. And it has a zipper down the back, which I think with that neckline, I wouldn't need to undo that. It's just got a simple waist. It's longer, and this is from Old Navy. So, curious to try that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And she says in the boxes you'll get anywhere from 5 to 6 items. So even with 5 items and the box being a total of $50, that is $10 per item. So that's not too bad. I will go ahead and try all the clothes on. So I'm just going to do the try on haul. I'm going to end this here, and I will insert some video or photos right here for you guys to take a look at. Love for you guys to give me some comments and feedback down below in the description box. Let me know if you think it's something that I should keep or something that is just not right for me. So I told her I really didn't want any pants. I'm really hard to fit for pants because I'm extremely long-waisted. So it's hard for me to find a pair of pants that come up high enough and then don't gap at my lower back. So I'll also leave all the information to a link to her Facebook page. That's how you get in touch with her about getting a box sent out to you. She is very fast at responding. You'll get an automated message when you send her a message through Facebook Messenger. And then as soon as she can, she'll get back to you about it as well. And you guys can just discuss everything, what you want to get, go for it from there. So again, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and do so. And give this a thumbs up if you enjoy clothing type hauls. I haven't done any of those before on my channel. And if you have any comments or questions, again, leave those down below, along with telling me what you like and didn't like about any of the outfits I'm trying on. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.